I'm Miguel. I'm the Dean of the college.
I'm Alexandra Puig Cruz. I'm a biology major here at CST, and I'm from Puerto Rico.
So, Alexandra, tell me a little bit about your research. What is it that you do?
I work at a bioengineering lab, and it's Bella's Fat Lab here in the bioengineering department. And we study a lot of things related to adipose tissue, and I'm specifically studying the effect that estrogen has on adipose tissue.
How did you find out about this particular lab?
So I signed up for the Research Scholars Program here with CST, and they basically gave me a list of potential researchers that I might be interested in working with. And I interviewed with Dr. Bellas, and I feel like I really liked the goal of the lab and what they were investigating. I want to go to medical school. I want to move back home, get into medical school, and then continue from there.
Have you done internships in the summers?
Not any specific internships, but I've shadowed with a couple of doctors. I did a summer where I volunteered in a vet clinic, and that was really fun. I'm specifically researching the effect that estrogen has on adipose tissue, specifically how that affects this condition called lipedema, which is characterized by abnormal and painful fat in the lower extremities.
I see.
And it's very important because that disease primarily affects women, and a very important female hormone is estrogen. So I'm investigating the role that estrogen has on fat metabolism.
That's amazing. Can you do that same explanation in Spanish for your grandma?
El impacto que tiene el estrógeno en el tejido de la grasa. Y pues a través de la vida de una mujer, los niveles de estrógeno cambian mucho. Y la condición que yo estoy estudiando se llama lipedema. Y esa condición mayormente la tienen las mujeres. Y pues una hormona muy importante en la vida de las mujeres que cambia con la menstruación, los ciclos de la vida, la menopausia, es el estrógeno. Y para mí es muy importante investigar cómo estos cambios hormonales pueden afectar no solo esta condición, pero la grasa en general y el metabolismo.
I love the Puerto Rican accent. So you moved from Puerto Rico to Philadelphia to come to Temple?
It was a very big change, but after the first little period of like, oh my God, it's kind of crazy, I really enjoy it. I love going into Center City. I always find something new to do, which is really fun.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's absolutely true. All the restaurants, all the coffee shops, all the bars.
The food is really good.
So, you just told me that you want to go to medical school.
I want to go into medicine with an open mind, so I'm not set on anything, but I really like surgery. I have so many opportunities, and then I considered dental school, I considered vet school, I considered a lot of things. But then I eventually came back to medicine, and so that's why I want to go back home, back to Puerto Rico, do med school there, and then kind of like establish myself back home.
I love my students, and so that's why you're here. So thank you very much.
And thank you for your time, and thanks for being an awesome dean.
Oh, thanks. Thank you.